तुषाराद्रिसङ्काशगौरं कबीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्रीशरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसत्फालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा.
A warm welcome to all the devotees on Raksha Sutra English. We are going to narrate wonderful holy stories to all the devotees from the book Miracles of Love by Ramdas Ji, an exclusive devotee of Maharaj Ji. Please listen carefully, all the devotees. One of Maharaj Ji's devotees was seriously poisoned. He was suffering gravely and no one expected him to survive. Maharaj Ji said, "You have to be satisfied with that little bit of suffering. You have to take on some of it." In other words, his suffering would have been worse but for Maharaj Ji's grace, but indeed he survived. Ram, my elder sister has always been very sickly with various maladies. Maharaj Ji told her that it couldn't be helped, that she must somehow work off past samskaras, means karma. He told her to keep her mind always in devotional thoughts or she would lose everything. Ram Ram. Maharaj Ji asked an Indian girl 4 times, "Do you like sorrow or joy?" Each time the girl answered, "I have never known joy, Maharaj Ji, only sorrow." Finally Maharaj Ji said, "I love sorrow, it brings me closer to God." Ram Ram. I got a very bad arthritic pain for the first time on a Saturday. By Sunday, after Maharaj Ji had departed for Agra, the pain had stopped. In the winter it came back again very intensely, but I didn't do anything for it. I want to keep the pain to remind me of that day. It was the last darshan I had of Maharaj Ji. You get wisdom from suffering. You are alone with God when you are sick in the cremation ground or hospital. You call on God when you suffer. Again, for reasons known only to Maharaj Ji, sometimes he would seem to bargain with death and push it away from one of his devotees, while at other times he would not intercede and the devotee would die, because Maharaj Ji knew the time of each person's death, but hated to be the bearer of bad news. He would often be absent at the time when one of his devotees must die. In some cases, when pressed, he gave a subtle clue, but often it was merely his absence that was the clue for the devotees who had come to know his ways. Once a neighbor lady came to my wife and said she was going for the darshan of another local Baba. She asked my wife to accompany her, so my wife went along. The neighbor showed her hand to the Baba, as he was considered an expert in palmistry, astrology and such things. But the Baba said, "I don't want to see your hand. I want to see her, my wife's hand." She didn't want to show it, but he insisted, and he told her that she would die in 6 months. My wife told this to Maharaj Ji, who immediately exclaimed, "Sab gulat," means it's all wrong. Why did that Baba say that? Will you not die? A time will not come when you will die. Everybody will die. Why didn't you say to him, "What will you not die? Are you immortal? He will also die. Everybody will die. Why does he say such things? It's very bad that he says such things." Begged. Then Maharaj Ji narrated another story about a saint. I was there to hear it. Well, there was a saint. A woman came to see him. Her husband had just died. She bowed to his lotus feet, and he gave her his blessing and told her that she would have 5 sons. She said, "But Maharaj Ji, I have come to you because my husband has just died. How will I have 5 sons?" The saint replied, "I have told you that you will have 5 sons, and I will keep my word." And her husband came back to life. Then Maharaj Ji said, "And I will do the same thing. Since I have given my word, I will complete it. You will not die. You will live for 75 years. Don't be worried. That was 8 years ago. She is still alive. Ram Ram." Maharaj Ji was walking by a place where a palm reader was working, and the palm reader, in reading the palm of one of Maharaj Ji's devotees, said that he would die in 3 days. The devotee was of course very upset. But Maharaj Ji said, "He is so smart, but what that fool doesn't realize is that it is he who is going to die in 3 days." And he did. Ram Ram. I was in a boat with Maharaj Ji, and he told me to jump in the water. I was afraid and said, "Maharaj Ji, I can't swim. I will drown." Maharaj Ji pointed to a high bridge and said, "If the right time has not come, you could jump from that bridge and not die." As he said that, I felt great faith and jumped in, and it was only up to my waist. Ram Ram. The Stick That Heals section is long, so further stories of this section will be narrated to all devotees in next episode. To listen the wonderful holy stories of Maharaj Ji, please like, share, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Write in the comment box, "Jai Neem Karoli Baba Ji Maharaj" and Jai Ramdas Ji.